such a pretty sound.
This is the best day of my life.
Oh, what do you see? Is this your favorite blanket? Woo! It's up here again. What do you see? Do you see orange butterflies? Woo! Do you see little ladybugs? Do you see ladybugs? Woo! Oh, really? I know. This is your favorite. You love this little blanket. You love it. You're just talking the day away. Talking your Saturday away. Oh. That's the silly cough.
With weasel
She's so cute. You're so cute. I owe you I know. It's fun. You're funny. You're funny. Whoa. She's like to sit. Oh, sit up. Oh, you're standing. You're such a big girl. Such a big girl. And kerplop. Whoops, I probably shouldn't have let your head go back that far. Sorry about that.
Broken neck.
Sorry about that. It's not funny. I'm sorry.